Hey, it's Avery from 107.5 Bolt FM, and we're here with Norm and Ken Vidak. How was the meal today, guys?
It was awesome.
Yes, completely awesome.
What was your reaction when you guys won the meal in the field?
Yeah, I couldn't believe it, Kyle, and I guess all of a sudden he caught him off guard a little bit in the morning there. So
Yeah, when
he'd
he got the
over.
call, eh? Yeah. No, it's exciting.
So, are you guys full? You guys won't need a bedtime snack for tonight, then?
I can see it pretty full. It was, right to the top.
No
there,
breakfast for tomorrow morning or not.
So, just to ask you a few questions about your farm here. How many acres is it, and what's the history behind your guys' farm?
Yeah. Well, we're at 7,500 acres here, and it's a fourth-generation farm.
Years ago there, what year did they were settled in Kenaston first, and then they moved up here to St. Gregor. And but that was probably in would have been the 40s.
Yeah, I would say the 40s, yeah.
So we've been here ever since. Yeah.
So, how's harvest going so far this year, guys?
Pretty decent, actually. Yeah, yeah. We got most of the cereals.
Moving right along, and we got cereals all off now, and just moving into the canola. So it's a pretty good position to be in, I guess, right now. So.
Okay, well, thank you guys for talking, and thanks for hosting us for this fantastic meal that we had here. The BV brought it for us, so thank you guys for that.
Yeah, and we really thank you guys for coming out and doing this for us.
It worked out good. Yeah, we were a little late, but we made her.
Well, it's all thanks to Horizon Fertilizer, Feel Good Agronomics, Diamonds of Detroit, and Cropper Motors. So good luck with the rest of the harvest season, guys, and hopefully we filled your guys' stomachs for this evening.
You sure did. Thanks.
Awesome. You bet.
Thanks, guys.